Welcome. I'm Marcie. I've been a resident of Greece for 40 years, but this is the first house I've ever owned. I'm renovating it single-handedly with the help of a couple of workers. It's been quite a journey, and I'm really glad to be able to share it with you here. I hope you'll stick around till the end of the film. There's a lot of building going on in this one. I just took up the floor and realized that there's no actual foundation underneath the tiles, which means that the entire floor is going to have to be dug up and a new cement foundation will need to be poured. And I'm guessing it's probably the same for up here. I'm pretty disappointed. It's a lot more than I bargained on. I'll show you the final results of the bookcase in a bit, but first I want to talk to you about what was happening behind it. We had a big problem in the corner. You can see that large gap. So we spent a lot of time and energy tying the wall in and supporting it so it wouldn't fall down in the future. The gray PVC pipe you see traversing the ceiling was actually there to remove water from the neighbor's roof. It was leaking really badly inside the house and caused extensive damage to this wall. Be sure to subscribe so you see part 4, where we're going to rip off the roof. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.